Hello everyone. I welcome you all to topic Decodified session of Analyst IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about a very interesting topic, that is Gaia BH1. We will discuss this particular news in the following series. First, why it is in news, followed by about Gaia 1, followed by about black holes, followed by practice question, which include prelims practice question and mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about various courses of Analyst IAS, which include Polity class, which will start from 21st of November, CSAT class, which will start from 14th of November, and current 365 class, which will start from 9th of January 2023. And along with that, you will be also getting a new course on public administration optional. So you can inquire about any of the following on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on to our topic of discussion and see why it is in news. Scientists find a huge black hole in Earth's backyard that is named Gaia 1. Astronomers have discovered the closest known black hole to Earth, initially identified using Gaia Space Telescope. The black hole named Gaia BH1 is the closest known black hole to the Earth, and it is located in the constellation Ophiuchus, the serpent-bearer. This black hole is 10 times more massive than our Sun and is dormant. It is 1600 light years away, that is 3 times closer than the previous closest black hole. And Gaia BH1 reside in a binary system whose other member is a sun-like star. Now we will discuss about Gaia Space Telescope, which has discovered Gaia BH1. European Space Agency launched Gaia Space Telescope in 2013, and it measures the precise position, speeds and trajectories of about 2 billion of the brightest star in the Milky Way galaxy. The telescope will be active till 2025. Now we will see what is black hole. A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space, and this can happen when a star is dying because no light can get out and people can't see black holes, they are invisible. Space telescope with special tool can help to find black holes, and the special tool can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than the other star. Now we will see how black holes are formed. Scientists think that the smallest black hole formed when the universe began. Stellar black holes are made when the center of a very big star falls in upon itself or collapses. And when this happens, it causes a supernova. A supernova is an exploding star that blasts parts of the star into space. Scientists think supermassive black holes were made at the same time as the galaxy they are in. Now we will see, if black holes are black, then how do scientists know they are there? So, a black hole cannot be seen because of the strong gravity pull all of the light in the middle of the black hole. But scientists can see how the strong gravity affects the stars and the gas around this black hole. And scientists can study the star to find out if they are flying around or orbiting a black hole. When a black hole and a star are close together, high energy light is made, and this kind of light cannot be seen with the human eye. So scientists use satellite and telescope, like Gaia telescope is used to see the Gaia BH1 black hole. Similarly, they use various telescopes and satellite in space to see the high energy light. So this is how scientists find that where are the black holes and how their behavior is. Now, could a black hole destroy the Earth? black hole do not go around in space eating stars, moons and planets. So this thing should be very clear in your mind. Earth will not fall into black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for the Earth to do that. Even if a black hole the same mass as the sun were to take the place of the sun, Earth still would not fall in. And the black hole would have the same gravity as the sun. Earth and the other planet would orbit the black hole as they orbit the sun now. The sun will never turn into a black hole and the sun is not big enough to make a black hole. So be relaxed as no black hole can destroy Earth. Now we will see the structure of black holes and various terms related to it. First term is singularity. The point where whole mass of the black hole is concentrated is called singularity. Then comes the photon sphere. The outer edge where the light bends but is still escapable is photon sphere. Then comes the event horizon. It is also a telescope. It is a point of no return around a black hole. And then comes the accretion disk. It is a disk of gases, dust, stars and planet that falls into the orbit of a black hole. So this was various terms related to black hole. Please keep a note of all these terms in mind because this is very important topic for next prelims. Now we will see types of black hole. First one is the stellar mass black holes. The stellar mass black holes are created when massive stars explode, leaving behind a black hole with a mass of just a few suns. Then comes the supermassive black holes. Supermassive black holes exist in the heart of galaxies and usually contain the mass equivalent to millions and billions of the sun. Then third is the intermediate black hole. Such bodies could form when stars collide in a chain reaction and usually contain the mass equivalent to hundreds and thousands of the sun. So these are various types of black hole. Now we will move on toward our prelims practice question, which says recently scientists observed the merger of a giant black holes billions of light years away from the Earth. What is the significance of this observation? Your options are A. Higgs boson particle were detected. B. Gravitational waves were detected. C. Possibility of the intergalactic space travel through the wormhole was confirmed. And D. It enabled the scientists to understand singularity. So you have to pick up the correct statement and write it in comment box. I will answer this particular question in my next video. Now we will see yesterday's question, which says which dance form of Haryana is dedicated to Shiva and Parvati. So the correct answer for this particular question is option A, that is Gangor dance. Now we will see our mains practice question, which says why capturing visual of a black hole was a challenge. Discuss the significance of the first visual from the Event Horizon Telescope. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further update. Thank you.